Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a chicken teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki is a super simple starter recipe and this is deliciously lip smacking. This particular recipe is basically a chicken in a teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce is a little bit of sweet and sour in taste as this is made with a soya, ginger, honey and vinegar. This recipe is a must try, so do try this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this chicken teriyaki. For chicken teriyaki, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, add 2 tablespoons of honey, add a spoon of brown sugar. You can use the regular sugar in case if you don't have brown sugar. 1 spoon vinegar. Add garlic 1. Add ginger sliced and spring onion. Add a spoon of water. Little chili flakes. This is optional. Here I have taken 2 chicken breast and add little corn flour or dust little corn flour. So in a pan add little butter. You can use the regular oil also. Now add this chicken. Let this cook for 5 minutes on each side. Now add this. Now remove these pieces and cut this into slices. In the same pan, add little water. So the chicken is chopped and now we will add the same to the sauce. Take little water and add a spoon of corn flour. Give it a mix and add the same to the sauce. Add the chicken pieces. Add little spring onions and it's ready to serve. So here the chicken teriyaki is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.